Are you an Italian tourism supplier or an operator selling Italy? Join us in Rome for ETOA's inaugural VIVA workshop taking place on the 18th of February 2020, another new addition to the European Tourism Association's B2B workshop portfolio, this time dedicated to the destination of Italy. VIVA is where tourism suppliers from throughout Italy meet with buyers representing markets from Europe and across the globe. We're heading to the Eternal City for a full-day event, starting with a briefing on ETOA's ongoing Italy-focused operational and sustainability efforts, followed by a full day of pre-scheduled B2B appointments. ETOA members attend for a competitive rate of €599 if booked with our super early bird rate. Non-members attend for €899. For more information on booking or our current membership offers, please contact events@etoa.org or visit etoa.org/events/viva. Buyers, whether you represent FITs, groups or online product distributors, VIVA offers you the opportunity to meet face-to-face with suppliers from throughout Italy. Hoteliers, attractions, destinations and receptive operators will all be in attendance amongst others. The Italy briefing will also provide an update on areas and vital topics where ETOA functions, from tour guiding, transport, access and sustainability. Come along and join the debate before the meetings begin. We look forward to seeing you in Rome.